Cricut StandardGrip Cutting 12x12 3-pack. Light grip machine mat. Perfect for lightweight materials, including standard paper, light cardstock, vellum, and more. Standard grip cutting machine Cricut mat. StandardGrip machine mat. Designed to handle heavy cardstock, patterned paper, vinyl, iron-on, and a wide range of medium-weight materials. Strong grip mat machine cutting Cricut. Strong grip machine mat. Your go-to for heavyweight materials like specialty cardstock, chipboard, matboard, and backed fabric. Fabric mat cutting machine Cricut Maker. Fabric grip machine mat. Combines increased strength and density plus a light adhesive to create beautifully cut fabrics with a rotary blade or bonded fabric blade. The StandardGrip mat is a multi-purpose mat that is perfect for a wide range of medium-weight materials, including patterned paper, vinyl, iron-on, and cardstock. Includes 3 12x12 Cricut StandardGrip mats. Use with Cricut Maker and Cricut Explore smart cutting machines. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.